Hey guys, it's Jake again. I just want to make a quick video about my, just a quick updated bike check video. This morning, my new Shadow Stun rim, Lacer Shadow Raptor hub came in. And yesterday morning, my Shadow Conspiracy Corvus headset came in. And today, I got new tires. I got the Odyssey, can't see the tread, but I got the Odyssey trail tire, a trail path, whatever, and then this Maxxis race tire. And my brother got fluorescent yellow Mission Impulse pedals. That's really it. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, favorite. Bye.